In the Film Restoration Laboratory session, we really want to focus on the work of a film laboratory. Traditionally, film laboratories have been the places where film prints have been made. With the digitization of the workflows, film laboratories have either gone out of business or shifted to a digital workflow. The photochemical laboratory at ANIM, part of the Cinemateca Portuguesa in Lisbon, has focused very much on preserving traditional analog or photochemical film techniques for film restoration. The survival of traditional analog film laboratories is important because 120 years of film history was about analog film processing and film printing. This lecture will give you a unique look into the really kitchen of a film archive, where film are restored, where many different apparatus are kept alive to be able to address the specific problems of restoring old films, and to discuss with our guest Tiago Ganhão about his personal experience and his professional secret.